Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, page size, orientation, and margin limits. Make sure you can print to those settings. Once done, reveal formatting marks so you see hidden breaks and blank paragraphs, then delete them. Next, inspect styles. Apply normal or a single compact paragraph style to avoid inconsistent spacing. Now, reduce header/footer height if present. These first edits free up vertical space fast, and they set you up to shrink content without breaking layout or readability. Now you tackle the middle steps. Decrease font size by 1 or 2 points where readable and make sure headings remain legible. Then, tighten paragraph spacing. Lower before slash after values and switch to single or 1. 0.8 line spacing. This removes extra gaps without harming flow. Enable automatic hyphenation to split long words and adjust indents or column width to reflow text. If lists or images cause overflow, resize graphics proportionally and set text wrapping to tight or square so text fits a single page. Finish by verifying. Open Print Preview or export to PDF to ensure the result fills exactly one page. If slight overflow persists, use print scaling, set to 95-99%, or apply a small font/spacing tweak. Once satisfied, lock styles and save a copy. If things go wrong, troubleshoot quickly. Clear direct formatting on problematic paragraphs, inspect for manual page breaks, or copy the content into a new document. This often removes hidden formatting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.